One of the big things that I'm looking at is basically the new technology, AI. It's a very unknown. Today, we got a lot of information about AI, how we can use it in our businesses, and how it will affect the market going forward. And as Cecil said, the person who controls it is going to own it. So being in the lead of that will give me an advantage over other shops in my area. The ability to tailor it, to use it for responding to reviews, writing emails, writing job descriptions. Uh, Basically, as long as you know what you're talking about and direct it by asking specific questions over and over and then tailoring it to your specific voice after you have the information was what stuck out. You basically can't just get on there and take word for word what it says. You have to kind of make it work for you. When I go back home, I'm going to use it to help me write clearer and better messages to my customers, to respond to the reviews in the best way so that it pings with Google's algorithms, is what I'm going to be looking at. Basically, if you're not here, you need to show up at the next time they do an event like this. The information you're getting is not what you're going to find at the other conferences. Most of those conferences, the uh, information is in depth, don't get me wrong, but here you're getting a whole line of basically how everything works together. While you go to a class at one of the conferences, it may be on a specific subject. This is how everything works together. And I think that's kind of neat because when I've gone to conferences before, one class I want to take is at the same time of another. This one is one after another class, and Cecil and them have made sure that they roll together and they keep going together.